Hey there, thanks for tuning in to the channel. If you drive a Kia Seltos, you already know it's a fun and practical SUV for city driving, weekend plans, and everyday life. But a few smart upgrades can make it even more enjoyable. In this video, we're counting down 25 hand-picked accessories made especially for the Kia Seltos. We'll cover clever interior add-ons, protection essentials, and exterior upgrades that improve both usefulness and appearance. Each accessory is selected to help you stay organized, protect your vehicle, and add extra comfort to your daily drives. And the great news is every product featured in this video is available on Amazon. You'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Let's jump in and see which Kia Seltos accessories are worth adding to your SUV. Very first on list, retractable trunk cover for Kia Seltos. Keep your cargo area private and protected from the sun. This retractable trunk cover is custom engineered for the Kia Seltos to provide a perfect fit across the rear storage bay. It effectively hides your belongings from prying eyes while helping to regulate the temperature of your groceries or gear. The spring-loaded design allows for smooth operation and quick removal when you need to carry larger items. It is a must-have for any owner looking to add security and a clean look to their vehicle. Coming up next, center console organizers for Kia Seltos. Turn your center storage into a perfectly organized command center. This center console organizer is a precision-molded tray that fits right into your Kia Seltos armrest bin. It provides dedicated compartments for your smartphone, coins, and sunglasses, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. The high-quality material is designed to withstand daily use without rattling, and the included rubber liners prevent items from sliding during sharp turns. Stay organized and keep your cabin clutter-free. Next must-have, floor mats, floor liners for Kia Seltos. Defend your interior against the elements with ultimate precision. These floor liners are laser scanned to match every curve of the Kia Seltos footwells. The deep channels and raised edges are designed to trap liquid, dirt, and sand before they ever reach your carpet. Made from a durable yet flexible material, they are built to last through every season and are incredibly easy to clean with a quick spray. Maintain your car's value and keep your floors looking pristine regardless of the weather. Next item in our list, cargo mat for Kia Seltos. Protect your rear trunk space from spills and heavy wear. This cargo mat is designed specifically for the Kia Seltos to provide full coverage for the back storage area. The heavy-duty, waterproof surface features a non-slip texture that keeps your gear from sliding around while you drive. Whether you are hauling muddy hiking boots or gardening supplies, this mat makes cleanup effortless. Simply pull it out and wipe it down to keep your interior looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Next on the list, roof rack crossbars for Kia Seltos. Maximize your carrying capacity and prepare for your next big adventure. These roof rack crossbars are the perfect foundation for mounting bike racks, kayak carriers, or cargo boxes on your Kia Seltos. They are designed with an aerodynamic profile to minimize wind noise and maintain your fuel efficiency on the highway. With a high load rating and a secure locking system, you can transport your outdoor gear with total confidence. Expand your horizons and take everything you need for the journey ahead. Next on the list, center console armrest cover for Kia Seltos. Protect your interior from sweat and stains while adding a layer of comfort. This center console armrest cover is designed for a snug fit on your Kia Seltos console lid. It shields the factory material from pet claws and everyday friction that can cause permanent wear. The soft padding makes long highway drives much more relaxing for your arm. It is a simple and effective way to maintain a clean cabin and prevent the center armrest from looking aged over time. Coming up next, anti-dust cup holder inserts for Kia Seltos. Keep every nook and cranny of your interior looking spotless. These anti-dust cup holder inserts are custom cut for the Kia Seltos to fit inside door pockets and center bins. They feature a unique textured surface that catches crumbs and spills before they get stuck in your plastic trim. The vibrant colored accents add a nice custom touch to your dashboard and doors. When things get messy, just pull the liners out for a quick wash, and your interior stays fresh. Next must-have, dashboard cover mat for Kia Seltos. Protect your dash from the blistering sun and eliminate dangerous glare. This dashboard cover mat is tailored to match the specific dimensions and air vents of your Kia Seltos. It acts as a thermal barrier to keep your cabin cooler and prevents the plastic from cracking or fading due to high heat. The non-slip backing ensures it stays in place without adhesives. It is an essential accessory for preserving your visibility and the long-term value of your vehicle's interior. Next item in our list, door sill protector for Kia Seltos. Stop scratches and scuffs from ruining your paint every time you enter your car. These door sill protectors are rugged guards for the entry points of your Kia Seltos. They are made from durable materials that can handle heavy foot traffic and rough shoe soles. The sleek design integrates perfectly with your door frame for a factory look. Installation is effortless with the pre-applied backing, providing an instant shield against the wear and tear of passengers getting in and out. Next, we have multi-purpose car cleaning kit for Kia Seltos. Keep your ride in showroom condition with a set of tools made for the job. This multi-purpose car cleaning kit includes everything you need to maintain your Kia Seltos inside and out. From microfiber towels to specialized brushes for those hard-to-reach vents and crevices, this kit makes detailing a breeze. It is perfect for removing dust from the infotainment screen or cleaning those high-gloss surfaces. Keep your car looking brand new and ready for the road with this all-in-one maintenance solution. Next on the list, leather seat cover for Kia Seltos. Experience a premium cabin feel while defending your seats from the elements. These leather seat covers are precision engineered to fit the Kia Seltos interior like a second skin. They offer a waterproof and stain-resistant barrier that is perfect for families or pet owners. The high-quality material is soft to the touch and maintains its shape over time. Give your vehicle an instant luxury upgrade that is easy to maintain and built to protect your original upholstery for years to come. Coming up next, tempered glass screen protector for Kia Seltos. Shield your high-tech display from scratches and unsightly smudges. This tempered glass screen protector is custom cut to match the infotainment screen of your Kia Seltos exactly. It provides a tough layer of defense against keys or accidental bumps while maintaining perfect touch sensitivity. The high-definition clarity ensures your navigation and media are always easy to see. It is a vital investment for keeping your digital interface looking flawless and responding quickly to every tap. Next must-have, Rain Guard's window visor for Kia Visor. Keep the fresh air flowing without letting the weather inside. These Rain Guard window visors are shaped to follow the roofline of your Kia Seltos for a seamless appearance. They allow you to leave your windows cracked for ventilation during a storm while keeping the rain out. The durable construction helps reduce wind noise at highway speeds and minimizes interior heat when parked. They are a practical addition for any driver who wants better airflow and a sleek exterior look. Next item in our list, anti-slip foot pedal pads for Kia Seltos. Boost your driving confidence with enhanced grip and a modern look. These anti-slip foot pedal pads are designed for a secure fit over the factory pedals of your Kia Seltos. The combination of brushed metal and raised rubber inserts ensures your feet stay firmly in place during wet or icy conditions. They provide a more responsive feel underfoot and add a sporty aesthetic to your interior. It is a quick and functional upgrade that improves both safety and style in the cockpit. Next, we have envelope cargo net for Kia Seltos. End the frustration of items sliding around while you drive. This envelope cargo net is a versatile storage solution that hooks directly into the Kia Seltos trunk area. It creates a secure pocket for your groceries, sports balls, or fragile gear, keeping them upright and organized. The elastic mesh stretches to hold bulky items while keeping everything tucked away neatly against the rear wall. It is the perfect way to maximize your trunk utility and keep your cargo space tidy. Next on the list, window shades for Kia Seltos. Block out the heat and protect your passengers from intense UV rays. These custom window shades are tailored to the exact window dimensions of your Kia Seltos for a perfect edge-to-edge fit. They significantly reduce the temperature inside your cabin on hot days while providing extra privacy for your rear seat occupants. The easy-to-install design means you can pop them in or out in seconds. Keep your interior cool and your upholstery safe from sun damage with this essential summer accessory. Coming up next, front and rear dash cam for Kia Seltos. Record every detail of your journey with high-definition clarity. This front and rear dash cam system is the ultimate security upgrade for your Kia Seltos. It provides a wide-angle view of the road ahead and the traffic behind, ensuring you have reliable evidence in any situation. With built-in G sensors and parking monitoring, your vehicle remains protected even when it is unattended. Drive with total confidence knowing that your digital witness is always watching the road for you. Next must-have, seat gap filler for Kia Sportage. Eliminate the frustration of dropping your essentials into the dark abyss. This seat gap filler is designed to fit perfectly between the center console and seats of your Kia Sportage. It moves with the seat to ensure no gap is ever left exposed for your phone, keys, or loose change to fall through. The high-quality material matches your interior trim for a factory look while providing a practical solution to everyday clutter. Keep your cockpit organized and your focus on the road. Next item in our list, trunk organizer for Kia Sportage. Transform your cargo area into a perfectly sorted storage space. This heavy-duty trunk organizer is built to handle the versatile lifestyle of a Kia Sportage owner. It features adjustable compartments to secure everything from emergency roadside tools to your weekly groceries. The non-slip bottom keeps it firmly in place during sharp turns, and the collapsible walls allow you to store it flat when you need the extra floor space. Stop the clutter and enjoy a tidy, functional rear storage bay. Next on the list, key fob cover for Kia Seltos. Keep your remote looking brand new while adding a personalized touch of style. This key fob cover provides a rugged layer of protection against drops, scratches, and liquid spills for your Kia Seltos remote. The precision molding ensures that every button remains easy to press and the signal stays strong. Available in various colors and finishes, it is a simple way to identify your keys and prevent expensive replacement costs. Protect your most important tool with this durable and stylish sleeve. Next item on the list, mud flap splash guard for Kia Seltos. Guard your paint from road debris and harsh weather conditions. These mud flap splash guards are custom molded to fit the wheel arches of your Kia Seltos with precision. They act as a durable shield, preventing rocks, mud, and salt from kicking up and damaging your lower body panels. The heavy-duty construction ensures they stay flexible and strong even in freezing temperatures. Keep your exterior cleaner for longer and protect your vehicle's resale value with this simple exterior upgrade. Coming up next, steering wheel cover for Kia Seltos. Enhance your grip and add a layer of luxury to every drive. This steering wheel cover is designed to fit the Kia Seltos wheel perfectly, providing a comfortable and secure feel. It protects your factory leather from oils, sweat, and sun damage that can cause peeling over time. The breathable material keeps the surface cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Elevate your driving experience with a premium texture that makes every turn feel more controlled and refined. Next must-have, steering wheel cover trim for Kia Seltos. Give your cockpit a custom look with high-end interior accents. This steering wheel cover trim is a precision-engineered piece that fits right over the existing spokes of your Kia Seltos. It provides an instant aesthetic upgrade, whether you choose a modern carbon fiber look or a sleek metallic finish. The trim is designed to stay securely in place without interfering with any buttons or airbag functions. It is an effortless way to personalize your interior and add a touch of sophistication to your dashboard. Next item in our list, car trunk hanging organizer for Kia Seltos. Maximize your floor space by utilizing the back of your rear seats. This car trunk hanging organizer is the perfect storage solution for the Kia Seltos cargo area. It features deep mesh pockets that keep your cleaning supplies, emergency gear, and umbrellas off the floor and out of the way. The adjustable straps clip securely around the headrests, ensuring the organizer stays upright during travel. Last on the list, waterproof outdoor car cover for Kia Seltos. Provide the ultimate defense against the elements when your vehicle is parked outside. This waterproof outdoor car cover is tailored to the specific dimensions of the Kia Seltos for full body protection. The multi-layered fabric blocks rain, snow, and harmful UV rays while allowing moisture to escape from underneath. It features a soft inner lining to prevent paint scratches and reinforced tie-down straps for windy conditions. Keep your car looking showroom ready and protected from bird droppings and tree sap year-round. Make your Kia Seltos more organized, protected, and enjoyable with these carefully selected accessories. Each item is built to add real, everyday usefulness to your SUV inside and out. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.